How would you feel if you could earn thousands of dollars every month without creating your own products, not have to buy and ship any products, without having any technical skills, or any prior marketing or business knowledge? You can turn this feeling into a reality by learning how to leverage affiliate marketing to start making money today. Affiliate marketing enables you to earn commissions by promoting existing products. Here is how: you find a product you like and promote it to others, and make a profit for each sale that you create. Some affiliate programs have recurring commissions, which means a single sign-up could make you money every single month. You could be earning passive income for sales generated today without any additional work. Platinum Affiliates is one of the industry leaders where you can start to learn affiliate marketing right now. Visit our affiliate marketing blog to get tools and tips on how you can get started today. Benefits you get are: no limit on potential earnings. Start with little to no money up front. No customer service needed. Make money using social media. Set your own pace. No age limit. No formal education requirements. Work whenever you want. Work wherever internet access is available. Can start with your smartphone. If we haven't convinced yet, we're ready to show you how you can generate thousands of dollars a month by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing and sales funnels. It's a simple process with little to no startup costs. Get started today by visiting www.platinumaffiliates.com and learn how others are using this strategy to generate a full-time income.
platinumaffiliates.com